wakey, wakey, ghost. We're gonna come out and talk to you. Gonna come out to talk to you, ghost. Wake up, we're coming for you. We're gonna talk to you. It's Old Benton Hospital. It's the only hospital. Remember, it's miners. I mean, there's a lot of people that died in this hospital. So we got the tram ride, paranormal investigation. Go inside some of these historical buildings, maybe the cat houses. Maybe you'll get to see Madame Marguerite's house. And then the bar's gonna be open, the restaurant's gonna be open, the hotel's gonna be open, and a couple of other little things. Doing nothing, come do something. Here we did it. The ghost rolled the ball in front of a live audience. Book on it called Ghost of RANDSBURG. You should get it. See you soon. You can see it everywhere. That's money right there. Look at that. Where's the dog?
In that little cabin has an inside of a grand.
I'm driving around a ghost town at night and I can't see shit. I'm on my bike. Oh, here's my chair. I can't see anything. I got lights, but you really can't see anything. I'm bumping into things.